Hi everyone, I Nikita Yadav welcome you all at Akera Study Channel. Today we'll study National Current Affair of year 2022. In this video I have covered 1 week current affairs, that is from 1 January to 7 January, and there are total 25 questions which are important for exam perspective. And one interesting thing in this video is that these 25 questions are arranged in multiple choice question form, so you people also try to answer these questions by yourself, and I'm also discuss with you guys. So let's get start. Our first question is, on which day DRDO day is observed? So the correct answer is option number C, 1 January. On 1 January 1958 DRDO was founded. If we talk about headquarter of DRDO, it is situated in New Delhi, and full form of DRDO is Defense Research Development Organization, and the current chairperson of DRDO is G. Satish Reddy. So let's proceed to second question. Our second question is, in Inmarsat 6F1 satellite is launched by which country? So the correct answer is Japan, option number D. Next question is, INS Kukri is decommissioned after 32 years of services in which state? So this was a warship and decommissioned by Indian Navy after 32 years of service. So it was commissioned at Andhra Pradesh, Vishakhapatnam. So option D is correct. Next question is, who among the following has defended his national billiard title by winning 11th tournament in Madhya Pradesh? So the correct answer is Pankaj Advani. He has already won 10 tournament at national level, and by winning 11th tournament he regained his position. Next question is question number 5. Environment and Climate Action Award 2021 is won by whom? So the correct answer is Viral Desai. He is from Gujarat. Next question is, which of the following country is became the first Asian nation to win a test match at Centurion? So the correct answer is our country. Option number D is correct. Question number 7 is, which of the following country has set up first ever body to take care of Hindu temple announced by the Ministry of Religious Affairs? So the correct answer is our neighbor country, that is Pakistan. Option B is correct. Question number 8 is, who has recently taken the additional charge of SSB Director General? So the correct answer is Sanjay Arora. Currently he is serving as Director of ITBP, and he has taken additional charge of SSB Director. Next question is, which country has launched world's first dual mode vehicle? So dual mode vehicle means this vehicle will run on road as well as on railway tracks, and it is developed by whom? It is developed by Japan. Next question is, new policy for women in 2021 is launched by which state of India for 5 years? So the correct answer is option number B, Tamil Nadu. 11th question is, which country has become the newest member of BRICS New Development Bank? First of all, we have to study about BRICS. So BRICS is simply denotes the name of the nation. B means Brazil, R means Russia, I means India, C means China, and S means South Africa, who later joined this organization. And if we talk about BRICS New Development Banks, its headquarters are situated in Shanghai, China, and Egypt became the 4th country to join this development bank. Next question is question number 12. Ross Taylor announced the retirement from international cricket on 30 December is from which country? So Ross Taylor is a cricketer of New Zealand. Option C is correct. 13th question is, Haryana Kaushal Rozgar Nigam portal is launched by which state? So the answer is in the question. I hope you'll get the answer. The correct answer is option number D, Haryana. Next question is question number 14. Who is recently appointed as Deputy National Security Advisor of India? So the correct answer is Vikram Mishri. 15th question is, which state topped in Niti Aayog Health Index 2021? So the correct answer is Kerala. Kerala topped in Niti Aayog Health Index 2021 amongst larger states. If we talk about smallest state, among smallest states, Mizoram topped in Niti Aayog Index. Mizoram topped in Niti Aayog Index. And if we talk about union territories, Dadar, Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu topped in Niti Aayog Index 2021. And if we talk about the worst performance in Niti Aayog Index 2021, then the answer is option number A, UP. It shows the poor performance in healthcare index. Question number 17 is, which space agency recently launched world's largest telescope named James Webb Space? So the correct answer is NASA, which is the space agency of USA. Question number 18 is, from which date senior citizens will get booster dose? So it is from January 2022 and the correct date is from 10 January. From 10 January onward, they will get booster dose against COVID-19. Now, 19th question is, children between age group of 15 to 18 years are getting the COVID vaccine from which date? So the correct answer is they are getting COVID vaccine recently from 3 January 2022. So this is the correct answer. Next question is question number 20. From which date healthcare and frontline worker will get another precaution dose? So this is also from 10 January 2022. Question number 21 is, state level Teej festival is celebrated in which district of Haryana? So the correct answer is option number A, Panchkula. Question 22 is, what is the ranking of India in FIFA 2020-2021? So the correct answer is, it was 106th. Option number B is correct. Now question number 23 is, Jhansi railway station of which state is renamed as Virangna Lakshmi Bai railway station? So I hope you'll get the answer here. And the CM of the state is Yogi Adityanath and governor of the state is Anandiben Patel. So the correct answer is option number C, UP. Question number 24 is, Keshare-Hind is which state's state butterfly? So the correct answer is option number A, Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 25. This is our last question in this video.